Ever thought about visiting France? Ever wondered what it's like to stroll the streets of Paris or sip wine in Bordeaux? Well, this video is your virtual passport to the alluring world of French culture, gastronomy, and history. We're about to embark on a journey that will take us beyond the iconic Eiffel Tower and the glamorous French Riviera. We'll explore hidden gems tucked away in quaint villages, savor the rich flavors of authentic French cuisine, and delve into the heart of France's vibrant traditions and rich history. From useful travel tips that will make your trip smoother, to must-visit spots that will leave you awestruck, we've got it all covered. Not forgetting the culinary delights that will tickle your taste buds and the fascinating culture that will captivate your heart. So buckle up and prepare for a virtual journey through the enchanting landscapes of France. Before embarking on any journey, it's essential to have some handy travel tips up your sleeve. When you're planning your French adventure, timing is everything. The best times to visit France are during the spring months of April to June and the fall months of September to November. These periods offer comfortable weather and fewer crowds. However, if you're a fan of winter sports, the French Alps are a winter wonderland from December to April. Next up is currency. France uses the euro. While credit and debit cards are widely accepted, it's always a good idea to carry a small amount of cash for smaller establishments or emergency situations. ATMs are plentiful, but be aware of foreign transaction fees that may apply. Now let's talk about getting around. France boasts an extensive public transportation system. The train network is vast and efficient, connecting even the smallest of towns. Buses are a cost-effective way to travel, and for city exploration, nothing beats the charm of a bicycle ride. For those who prefer the freedom of self-drive, car rentals are readily available. But remember, the French drive on the right side of the road. Communication is key in any travel experience. While many French people do speak English, particularly in larger cities and tourist areas, don't assume everyone will. Learning a few basic French phrases can go a long way. Bonjour means hello, merci is thank you, and où sont les toilettes will help you find the restroom. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation. The effort is usually appreciated and can lead to more authentic interactions. Lastly, always remember to respect the local culture and traditions. This includes simple things like saying hello when entering shops, waiting for the host to say bon appétit before starting to eat, and dressing appropriately when visiting religious sites. With these tips, you are now ready to make the most of your French adventure. France is a treasure trove of must-visit spots that cater to every type of traveler. Let's dive right in with the city of love, Paris. This city is a must-see for its iconic landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral are just a few of the sites that make Paris the heart of French culture and history. And let's not forget the charming cafes that line the streets, offering a taste of the Parisian lifestyle. Next, we move to the French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur, known for its glamorous beaches, iconic film festival, and the allure of its azure coast. It's a playground for the rich and famous, but also a delight for those who appreciate natural beauty and vibrant nightlife. From the coastline, we travel inland to the Loire Valley. This area is known as the Garden of France due to its abundant vineyards, fruit orchards, and artichoke fields. It's also home to some of the most spectacular chateaux and castles in the country. A visit here is like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Then we have the lavender fields of Provence. This region is not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the senses. The aroma of lavender fills the air, and the sight of endless purple fields is truly mesmerizing. Provence is also famous for its rose wines and olive oils, making it a gastronomic delight. Let's not forget the French Alps, a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're into skiing, hiking, or simply enjoying breathtaking mountain views, the French Alps offer an adventure for everyone. And finally, the charming region of Normandy. Known for its picturesque landscapes, apple cider, and the historic D-Day beaches, Normandy offers a deep dive into French history and tradition. These spots are just the tip of the iceberg, and there is so much more to explore in this beautiful country. A trip to France would be incomplete without indulging in its world-renowned cuisine. France, the land of gastronomy, invites you to a feast for your senses. Every region, every city, even every home has its own culinary traditions and specialties, making the country a vast, delicious banquet spread across a canvas of picturesque landscapes. Let's start with the basics. The humble baguette, a symbol of French culture, is more than just a loaf of bread. Crisp on the outside, soft and airy on the inside, it's a testament to the art of French baking. With over 32,000 bakeries in France, you're never too far from a fresh baguette. And of course, what's a baguette without some cheese? With over 1,000 varieties, cheese is a cornerstone of French cuisine. From the creamy camembert to the robust roquefort, there's a cheese for every palate. But French cuisine isn't just about bread and cheese. It's a symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas. It's about coq au vin, a rich, hearty stew of chicken slow-cooked in wine. It's about bouillabaisse, a fragrant seafood soup from the shores of Marseille. It's about ratatouille, a colorful medley of vegetables that encapsulates the spirit of Provence. And who could forget about the pastries? Delicate croissants, buttery madeleines, and the decadent éclairs are just a tip of the iceberg. Each pastry, a piece of art, is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship of French patisserie. No culinary journey in France would be complete without mentioning wine. The French have been making wine for over 2,000 years, and it's deeply ingrained in their culture. Whether you prefer the full-bodied reds of Bordeaux, the crisp whites of the Loire Valley, or the sparkling effervescence of Champagne, there's a vineyard waiting to welcome you. Food in France is not just about sustenance. It's a celebration of life, a daily ritual, a bonding experience. It's about taking the time to enjoy the flavors, the company, and the moment. It's about living the French art de vivre, the art of living. So make sure to arrive with an empty stomach and leave with a heart full of culinary memories. Scene script. France is not just about its picturesque landscapes and delicious food, but also its rich culture and traditions. Let's dive into the world of French art first. It's an undeniable fact that France has been the cradle of numerous globally acknowledged artists. From the timeless masterpieces of Monet and Renoir to the avant-garde creations of Picasso, French art has continually shaped and inspired the world. Museums like the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay are treasure troves for art enthusiasts, housing centuries of artistic evolution under their roofs. Moving on to fashion, it's hard to think of a place more influential than France. Paris, the capital, is often dubbed the fashion capital of the world. The city sets trends and breaks norms, constantly redefining what style means. The biannual Paris Fashion Week is a testament to this, where designers from around the world gather to showcase their latest collections. Music, too, plays a central role in French culture. Whether it's the enchanting melodies of Edith Piaf, the irresistible beats of Daft Punk, or the soulful ballads of contemporary French musicians, the country's music is as diverse as it is captivating. Stroll around the streets of any French city, and you're likely to hear the alluring strains of music wafting from a nearby cafe or street performer. Lastly, let's talk about French festivals. France is known for its vivacious celebrations, each marked by an abundance of food, music, and camaraderie. Festivals like Bastille Day, Fête de la Musique, and the Cannes Film Festival each offer a unique insight into the French spirit of celebration. Remember, when traveling, it's crucial to respect local customs and traditions. Whether it's greeting locals with a friendly bonjour or abiding by dress codes at religious sites, small gestures can go a long way in fostering mutual respect and understanding. Embracing the French culture is a sure way to enrich your travel experience. So, when you visit France, make sure you do more than just see the sights. Truly immerse yourself in the culture and allow France to leave an indelible mark on your heart. France is a country that promises an unforgettable journey with its diverse landscapes, culinary delights, and rich culture. We've journeyed through the practical aspects of planning your trip, explored must-visit spots from the iconic Eiffel Tower to the serene lavender fields of Provence. We've savored the incredible culinary delights, from flaky croissants to sumptuous escargot, and dived deep into the rich tapestry of French culture and traditions. Not forgetting those hidden gems, those off-the-beaten-path locations that offer a unique perspective on the French way of life. Remember, travel is about creating your own unique experiences. So, don't just follow the guide. Wander, explore, taste, and immerse yourself in the beauty that is France. Each city, each village, each corner of this breathtaking country has a story to tell, a flavor to taste, and an experience to offer. So, when are you packing your bags for your French adventure?